So now that we are done with categories, let's move to the posts. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new controller for the admin. So let's add controller, PHP artisan, make controller, and controller needs to be inside admin controller, and let's give it a name, post controller. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, so once done, let's move to the controller, and here let's use the same thing for the first function, which is the index. So let's add here the index. So the first one will fetch or will display all the posts, and here we need to use the post model. Don't forget to import it here, and here let's change it from categories to posts. Okay, so save. Now we have first function. Let's add controller. So here we have categories. Let's copy this one and use it here. So let's paste and change it from categories to posts, and here posts, and let's change it to post controller, and here the function is index, and here posts dot index. Okay, so next what we need to do, so now we need to create the review, which is not the review but the view, which is the index. Okay, so let's move here. So let's copy and paste, and here we have categories. Let's change it to posts, and let's move to the index. So here we have posts, and here also posts. So let's check the fields that we have inside the table, which is posts. So we have title. Okay, so let's here change it to title. So title en, title fr. What else we have? We have slagged body en, the body fr, image, and category id. So let's copy and paste here. So we need so let's add slag also. So we need the body en, the body fr, and we need also the category, and also we need the image. Okay, so let's add here another one for the image, and I think that this scoop, so I don't need it. Let's remove it. Okay, so we have the title en, title fr, slag, body en, body fr, image, and category. Okay, and here we need to loop through each post. So let's do the same thing for the case. So let's change it to post here, and here posts, and here we keep the k as it is. Also here let's change it to post, and here post, and here let's change the name to title. Okay, title en, title fr. What else? We have the slag, so let's move down. So we have here slag, we have here the body. So here body en and body fr. So what else we have? The category. So the category, we need to use the relationship. So category, and we get the name, and let's display the name in English. What else we have here? So we have the image. Okay, so let's add here an image, and because we are using only dummy images, so we can for now display the image, and later we will, when we add images, so we will add the path to the image. For now, let's just display the image or the post image. Okay, so here we have the image. Okay, let's use it to display the image, and later we will once we add images, we will add the path to our image. So here, let's add here for the alt, let's give it the post title in English. So let's paste it here. And for the, let's give it also a width of 60 and the height of 60 and a class rounded. Okay. To save what we have next, we need to add so we need to add the links to create, edit, and delete, and also for the pagination links, so change it from categories to posts, and also here we need to provide the category, so we need to change it from category to post, so not so we have moved to the top, so let's change only here. So here we need to provide slug because we are getting posts using slug, so for the delete and edit, but here for submitting the form we can use the ID of the post as the ID. Okay, so let's move to the sidebar. So the sidebar here inside admin, so here we have the posts. So let's change it to posts.index, which is the routes. So save, let's refresh the page. So we have posts now. Let's click on posts. So we are directed to admin/posts, but we have here, as you can see, we have the posts from the home page, which means that we have a conflict between the routes. Okay, let's check for the. So here we have, so what is the, so I think that's the home page name is home. Here we have category.posts, here same thing. So let's check here. So I think that we have imported the post. So here is the problem. So the post controller is imported from the front end. So let's get it from the back end, which is the admin. So now let's refresh, or it's already done, and see what we have. So we have a problem, which is the admin.post.create is not defined, because here inside index, so here we are using this routes, which is the edit and create. Okay, so we can add them. So here, where is so we can add create, or let's copy everything from here and use it here, and change the controller to post controller and categories to posts. So instead of using categories, so we will use posts. Okay, and also here, instead of using category, so we'll use post. So we'll use the same thing. So here /post, we get posts, create, we create post, store, we store post, edit, we edit post, and update, we update post, and delete, we delete post. Okay, but we need to define the functions to not get errors. So let's use the same thing that we have here. So for now, we will later update the function display create post form. So let's change it to create, and also here let's add another one. So for the store new post, let's change it to store, and we need another one for the updates. post or edit. Let's add first edit and later we add update. So let's add edit and also we need another one for update. So let's change it to update and here updates and later we'll add the functionality that we need inside each function or the code that we need inside each function. So here we delete posts. Okay, so save. Let's refresh now and see. So now as you can see we have all the posts with the body and slug and category. And what else? Let's check for the images. So the images are here. So as I said, because we are using only placeholder images, so we have only some dummy images. So later, once we add images, we will display or we will update the image. Okay, so let's move again here. So here for the body. So here for the body, where is it? So this one, which is the English. So we can use the str limit and we limit the body to only, let's limit it to only 100. So let's check and see. So let's refresh the page. So now it's limited and we can limit it to only 50 and same thing for body fr because we have long text there. So let's change it to fr and refresh the page and as you can see now it's better. Okay, we have here the images and we have the inputs or the buttons. Okay, we can if you want we can so here for the sidebar let's give it only 3. Okay, and let's change the, so here we can give it 9. Okay, and we need to do the same thing inside the categories. So here let's give it 9. So save. Let's refresh and see. So I think now it's better to have only 9. Okay, and here we have 3. Okay, so I think it's better. So as you can see now we have all the posts. Let's move to the next page. So we have the second or sixth post. Okay, so now we need to create, also add the posts and also update and delete. Okay, so let's start by adding posts and later we move to the update and the delete. Okay,